county in south-central Arizona. This includes the cities of Goodyear, Avondale, until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:25 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, the National Weather Service received reports of street flooding and ponding of water throughout neighborhoods in Litchfield Park and Goodyear. Heavy runoff from thunderstorms that occurred earlier in the afternoon will continue to flow into low-lying areas and basins in the area of 156th Avenue and West Indian School Road for several hours before receding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Continued flow into these areas will gradually decline, and expansion of the flooded area is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated flow in small creeks, washes and canals, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. The National Weather Service in Phoenix.
University on 24th Street. Many trees down in the road. Large trees, he said. He didn't give a diameter.
You said in the road. Thank you, K70, okay.